3 bracket 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 3, close your bracket, minus 5 open bracket 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 minus 156 equals 0. Find x, leaving your answer in log. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we want to solve this very interesting question, very simple question actually, one that we want to solve. So what's the first thing we're going to do? Let's rewrite the question. We have 3, right? Bracket, we have 2 raised to the power of 2x, okay, plus 3 here, and we have minus 5 bracket 2 raised to the power of x plus 2, right, minus 156 equals 0. Now the first thing we're going to do is to get rid of this. Now first of all, we know that when we have a raised to the power of m plus n, is going to give us a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n, the law of exponents. A raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n will give us a raised to the power of m plus n. Now we have this, it means we are going to take it back. So what will give us, we have 3 bracket 2 raised to the power of 2x times 2 raised to the power of 3, close your bracket, minus 5. We do the same thing for this place. We have 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2, and then we have minus 156 equals 0. All right, so what's the next thing we're going to do? We have 3 bracket, and then we have 2. Remember another law, that when we have a raised to the power of mn, it can be written as a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n, or a raised to the power of n raised to the power of m. Anyhow it wants to be written. So we can write this as 2 raised to the power of x, right, raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 8, right, and from here minus 5 bracket 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4, that's 2 squared 4, and then we have minus 156 equals 0. All right, so now what's the next thing we're going to do? So from here we can now see, let 2 raised to the power of x equal any letter of our choice. We can use p. Let 2 raised to the power of x equal p. Now from here we can have 2 raised to the power of x here, 2 raised to the power of x here. We'll substitute it for p. We have 3 brackets, then 2 raised to the power of x becomes p squared multiplied by 8, right, and then we have minus 5 brackets p multiplied by 4 minus 156 equals 0. And so from here we have 8p squared, p squared times 8, 8p squared times 3, that's 24p squared, minus, here we have p multiplied by 4, that's 4p, but multiplied by 5, that's 20p, right, and then we have minus 156 equals 0. So from here we can see what we have, a quadratic equation. Am I right? We have a quadratic equation, and so from here we can see this is a quadratic equation, but it can be reduced actually when we divide all through by 2. This is going to give us 12p squared minus 10p, and then minus, this is going to give us 78. all right, 78 equals 0. It can also be reduced when we divide by 2 to give us 6p squared, right, 6p squared minus 5p minus 39 equals 0. All right, so now what do we do here when we have a question like this? So from here we can see a is 6, b is minus 5, and then c is minus 39. So we use minus 39. So we use the law, formula, quadratic equation formula, x equals to, it's just that in this situation it's going to be p equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Right, so we're going to use the formula. So we have p equals minus b, so minus b is minus 5, so minus b will be minus 5. Then we have plus or minus, then we have square root b squared, that's minus 5 squared rather, minus 5 squared. Then we have minus 4 times a is 6 times c is minus 39 over 2a, that's 2 multiplied by 6. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, minus multiplied by minus is giving us plus, that is 5, plus or minus square root. Minus 5 squared is 25, then minus 4 times minus 6 times minus 4 times 6 times minus 39 is going to give us plus 936 over 2 times 6 will give us 12, and then what do we have? We'll have 5 plus or minus square root. 936 plus 25 is giving us 961, and then we have over 12, and then we have 5 plus or minus, then square root of 961 is giving us 31, then we have over 12, meaning we have 5 plus 31 over 12, or 5 minus 31 over 12. So 5 plus 31 over 12 is going to give us 36 over 12. That's giving us 3, or 5 minus 31 over 12 is going to give us minus 26 over 12. That's giving us minus 13 over 6. So we have our values of P. P equals 3 or minus 13 over 6. And what do? We have P equals 3 because negative is rejected. So we have P equals 3. So now remember, recall, right? Recall that what? Here, over here, recall that 2 raised to the power of x equals P. So we bring it again. 2 raised to the power of x equals P. And remember, P is 3. That's 2 raised to the power of x equals 3. So what do? We find the log of both sides. Since we are told to leave our answer in logarithm. So we find the log of both sides. So we say log 2 raised to the power of x equals log 3, natural log of both sides. All right, so what do when we have log here? The power crosses over to this place, so we have x log 2 equals log 3. So how do we find the value of x? By getting rid of the log 2. So we cancel log 2 out, and how do we do it? By dividing both sides by log 2. So log 2 cancels log 2. We have x equals log 3 over log 2. So this gives us the value for x in logarithm. This brings us to the end of solving this question. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you very much.